Hey guys, it's Miss Husky again. We just finished a lesson on the CRAAP test. I know that you guys have committed all of that to memory. And today what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how to put all of those skills in action. So, got my Google screen open right now, and let's see. Let's look at one of the prompts. Let's do the role of women in Odyssey. So, alright, so I did a quick little search, women's roles in the Odyssey. Let's see what we come up with. We're going to do the CRAAP test on probably most of these. That very first one, UK essays, no. Schoolwork, helper.net. I'll tell you, I'm pretty much sure that you're going to have to pay for something. Look at this. Attention, please help us feed and educate children by uploading your old homework. Seriously. So that right there is a ploy. When you talk about that kind of loaded language, basically if you don't, it's kind of the assumption, if you don't upload your old homework and help us, then the children are going to starve and be stupid. So, for the most part, guys, you could write circles around these folks, honestly. You really could. So that one, there's two. Those are a no. All right, let's look at this one. So I've got GVSD, roles, gender roles in the Odyssey. Okay. I see that it has it looks like a course number here, and then see where it says PDF. That tells you it's a PDF file. Okay. All right. So when we open it, this is a photocopied essay. So it looks like somebody has photocopied this for a class, whatever the course is. But we don't know exactly where this came from. So remember when I taught you guys in the CRAAP test to reduce that URL. Remember all the way down to the domain. So in this URL bar up here, if I just kind of put my cursor right after the .org, and then I'm going to delete everything and then hit return. Okay, so I've reduced that URL to the very basic. This is the home page. Great Valley School District. Interesting. So evidently this is a teacher who photocopied and uploaded this article for students to use. Okay, if you find some nuggets of wisdom in this particular article, can you use it? Absolutely. All right, so there's one. Yay, found one. Prezi, that's somebody's Prezi. You can't use anything from that. Free Essays Club. Again, this is going to be one of those, let's pay for the essay, and I bet you there's tons of ads on this page. So, types of, oh, look how, this is terrible. Look at the ads. Look at the ads. Don't use plagiarized sources. Get it from us. Okay, so I'm looking at the citation here, the ones on the works cited, and that's wrong. That's wrong. So I'm seeing errors. There's a reason that they're free essays, that free essay club. It's not really that you're getting free essays. You're actually going to have to pay for them, but they can't give them away for free because they're so terrible. So that's a no. Look at this one, thenewyorker.com. Many of you probably heard of The New Yorker. It's an online magazine. It's also a print magazine. But if you look in this little URL that we have here where it says books, this person, Emily Wilson, gives me this little bitty blurb. I don't even have to open this link to know that this woman wrote a book about the Odyssey and the women in the Odyssey, and she's just talking about it. No, that's not going to help you at all. Okay. Articlemyriad.com. Okay. .coms, .nets, you really want to be wary of those, especially. So, let's look at this one and see what we find out. Okay. Article Myriad. Okay. I know it doesn't say blogger.com because people purchase domains, but that's really hard to say. Domain name. Say that 5 times fast. It's a blog. Basically, this is a blog. So I've got Nicole Smith, whoever she is, posted it. You can't comment. There's not, I don't see, just glancing through here, correct citations at all. I see a works cited page. You might be able to use that little link. And this is a book. Right now the libraries are closed, so I don't think that would help you out any. But if you look right here, look, next post. Y'all, it's a blog. This is an absolute no, you can't use it. You want to cite somebody's blog. JSTOR. Okay. Now, I know you don't know what this is, but I do. Okay. As your resident expert, JSTOR is a database, and it's a very expensive database. I wish that we could afford to use this one in our particular AVL. Most of the time, what you're going to get is you're going to get this. Let me back out because I accidentally just deleted what that said. Okay, let's get back in here. Okay. These are paid for articles unless you've got a subscription, which we in AVL, or AVL does not have a subscription, but a lot of the colleges and universities do because they have a lot more money. But that's why it says Find My Institution. But down in this little gray box, here's the bonus for you guys. Okay, if there's an upside to any of this, it's a lot of the free stuff that folks are giving away. This article is, most of the articles are going to be anywhere from $20 to $40 a piece. Yeah, I know why would people buy those. But if you just register for a little free account, and that's with the email address, then you can get the whole article for free. Y'all, that's a deal. That's a deal right there. So let me X that out. Oh, look, $19 is what it would cost you if you were to purchase this article. On a normal search, not during this kind of time period, but on a normal search, you will get like this little preview. Now keep in mind, you might be able to find some gold nugget of information that you just have to use for your paper or your project. And in this little bitty excerpt that they give you here, can you use it? Sure you can. Because if you look up here at the top, you've got all the information that you need to be able to cite that particular article, and you know exactly where it is. So is that a keeper? You betcha. That's a good one. So we got 2. All right, Bartleby.com essays. Guys, I'm telling you, this is another one of those little essay things. Y'all could write circles around these folks. So show more content. In order to do so, what do you think you have to do? That's right, you're going to have to pay for it. Look right here. Look at all the ads. Okay, this is one of those e-commerce sites. They're trying to persuade you to purchase their services. And I'm telling you, like, honestly, you guys, I know y'all write better than that. eNotes.com. Oh, I know y'all love some eNotes and all this stuff because, it's just so much easier. Look, I've still got ads on this page. Of course, the Cancer Society is pretty good, but still, look at all the ads. Look at all the ads. And of course, you're going to have to pay for this particular service because if you want to get it, you can get a 48-hour free trial to unlock it. But who's actually writing this? Okay, let's talk about the author, one of the A's in the CRAAP test. So where can we go to find that information? Okay, we can scroll down to the bottom. Look, we can scroll down to the bottom. eNotes, About Us. Let's look at the About Us tab. Okay, they want to provide study materials. They've got an editing process. Meet the team. Okay, remember what we said about experts. Okay, so you got Alex, who co-founded it, and his favorite school book was Hamlet. This dude's favorite school book was Macbeth. What? Seriously? Seriously? So they got the co-founders, customer service. They've got animals, and she likes to eat. So in what aspect does reading a book and having an animal or liking fine dining, warrant any kind of expertise in the field. It doesn't. None. She's got a background in fine arts. Okay, what did she take, a course? Because technically that could constitute a background in fine arts. Nothing, guys. There is nothing in here that says that they are anywhere close to being experts on any of these topics. Just they have a book that they like to read. So there you go. CRAAP test. Was that crap? Yes, as a matter of fact, it was. Okay, so just from a straight up Google search, we got 2. Let me show you some tricks to kind of narrow those sources down and make it a little bit easier. Okay, .coms, .nets, remember I told you, not very reliable. So if you don't want to see any of those in your Google search on those first 10, then if you just hit the minus sign, which is basically the hyphen, and I'm going to type in .net and hit enter. Okay, now if you look at all my hits here, I have some .coms, but I do not have a single .net. So grade fixer, okay, essay forum, look at all these that are hidden. Nope, I don't want to see any of those either. So if I wanted to say, I don't want to see the .coms either, I can just hit a space, hit the hyphen again, and put .com and hit enter. Look, now I've gotten rid of all of them. Now I see, harvard.edu. Okay, this looks like this is an article that someone has posted at Harvard. There's a lot of EDUs. See how this says blog? I'm not even going to open it. Don't look at a blog. Mommy bloggers don't know. They may like to read, but that doesn't mean they know and they're experts. That one right there, that RU, that means that it's from Russia. Okay, so it's not in Russian. Obviously, it's translated. But I see a lot of .edus here too, and several .orgs. There's that same article that we looked at earlier on JSTOR. So let's say that you're like, well, I really just don't really feel like having the time to kind of go through. I get the CRAAP test, but I just want to go ahead and find me a really good article. So let me show you. Let's say that you're like, I love the idea that I can use JSTOR for free right now. So I'm just going to delete that, and I'm going to hit .JSTOR and hit enter. And what I have just done is I have just told Google that I don't want to see anything else unless it's got the JSTOR in it. So there's another article by JSTOR on Odyssey, and another one, and another one, and another one. So you see what I just did there? I know. How do you like me now? Pretty simple, huh? So because JSTOR is practically free right now, I recommend that would be a great article that you guys could find as the one internet article for your project. So that's really kind of all I wanted to show you today. We went through the CRAAP test. I showed you a lot of the things that we talked about when I showed in the video of that PowerPoint slide of the CRAAP test. So got to put it to use. I want you guys to try it. Again, y'all know how to get in touch with me. Email me if you have questions. If you want to get in a little hangout with me and kind of help you, I'll walk you through whatever you need to. Just let me know, guys. I'm here for you anytime. Okay? See you next time.